What's up, guys? It is a cold December winter day here in Missouri, and today, though, we're going to be opening up a Silver and Gold expansion pack BGMC trading cards. This is what we're going to be opening up today. Let's go ahead and get it going. If you don't know how to open up these cards, I'm telling you, they're harder to open up. But if you don't know how to open them up, go back and check one of my other videos. Get that out of here. Card trick is 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the bottom. Alrighty, here we go. I'll give you the first look. Wings I have already. Baking cakes I have already. Competing event. Boldness. I think I don't have this one. Mystery Tools Versatile Type. I don't think I have that card yet. Mystery Tools Versatile Type. Alright. Card's kind of sticky. Refugee Crisis. I think we already have. Oh, man. I think this might be one of the last field events that I don't have yet. Clear Skies. No one can play a disaster card this round. So that's a cool thing. It inhibits you from playing disasters. Okay, so I don't think I have that one yet. JB Weaver, I have. Ooh, a Hollow Change Agent Kyle. I already have Hollow Change Agent Kyle. And I'll give you guys the first look at, hopefully, a mystery card. Mystery card, mystery card, mystery card. I still need 4 of them. So mystery card right here. And Smush the Pug. Ooh, Silver Shield, Smush the Pug. Sweet. Oh, that's cool. It looks like almost like a New York background behind him. Some high rises, some basketball goals. Smush the Pug. Smush the Pug reminds us that no matter how small we are, we make a big impact for Jesus. His mission is to seek and to save the lost. So there we go, guys. That was a pack of BGMC Silver and Gold expansions. And remember, make sure to get your packs Sunday mornings at Commission Kids. We have packs available to buy, $5 per pack in the BGMCC store. So make sure to get there. Make sure to come. Make sure to come on our next BGMC Sunday, because we have a special surprise for the kids who are there on the 4th Sunday of January as our next BGMC Sunday. We can't wait to see you. Till next time, guys. Peace.